What's going on, ladies and gentlemen? Quick video, how to replace your faulty thermostat, okay? If you have issues with your heating and air conditioning, before you go out and hire an HVAC tech, to try to save money, what you should do is check your thermostat, okay? Way you remove a thermostat, if you have something like this, is they're usually screwed to a wall mount, so you just want to pull and take this off here. Okay, it comes off like that. There are videos on troubleshooting your wiring into the basement, so you check out those videos how to troubleshoot a thermostat. I know that my wiring is good downstairs to the basement, so therefore we're going to replace the thermostat. Very simple. First thing you want to do is you want to turn the power off downstairs, go down by the furnace, wherever it's located, or the air conditioning unit. You'll see that red switch, the emergency switch, turn it off. If you don't have one of those, then go over to the circuit panel, your main fuse box or whatever you got, and turn the power off that way. It is low voltage, but you want to turn it off. All right. First thing you're going to do is you're going to unscrew the screws that hold the mount in. Okay. Very simple. Now, this particular thermostat was a Wi-Fi thermostat, so you do need the 5 wires. If you look here, you got green, white, blue, yellow, and red. If you open up a thermostat and you only have 2 wires and you want to put one of those smart thermostat wires in, you got to run the appropriate wiring from this location downstairs or wherever it's located, okay? So you're going to pull this out. You can see this wire has some extra pairs in it. So the first thing you want to do is you want to grab yourself a small screwdriver, very small, and you're going to loosen these little screws here. Make sure the power is off downstairs, okay? Because you don't want any of your wires touching or shorting each other out. All right. So we'll unscrew them all. And they come out that easy. Okay, you don't want that wire to fall in the wall because then you're in trouble. So give it a bend so it'll hang out there for a little while. Then you're going to go to your local Home Depot, or you can order it online. I'm going with the basic here. I'm not doing the programmable Wi-Fi. I'm going with this here, which is the Honeywell RTH 2300B programmable thermostat. It's got the 5-2-day scheduling, so this should be sufficient. All right, once you take it out of the box, it's a basic little unit. All right, you're gonna push down on this tab and separate the unit from the wall mount, okay? We will put this aside for now, but this is what we're gonna concentrate on. And if you look here, it's pretty basic, okay? You have your green, your yellow, your white, and your red wires, and you're gonna just basically hook those guys up, okay? So obviously we're going to have, because it's a smaller plate, you kind of want to hide it. Let's see if it'll fit the same. I think it'll fit the same holes I already have there. So what you want to do is you want to get your wiring through here. Feed your wiring through. We're going to back these up and we're going to put the color codes in with the markings. Very simple. We're going to tighten them back up. Then we're going to place this guy back against the wall, and we should be able to use the same holes. And it looks like, yeah, we might be able to. You'll have to do a little painting and stuff around if it's a little bit smaller than your other one. But other than that, that's not bad. So let's get to it. First thing we're going to do is we're going to back up the red. You want to check your connections. You want to check the ends of your wire, make sure they're not broken or corroded. If they are, get wire cutters, and skin it back. Get a fresh end on there. So you're going to basically just take this wire and you're going to insert it in that little hole. Then you're going to tighten it up. nice and firm. And what I mean by hole is if you look here, there's tiny little holes. So when you back up the screws, it'll open up these little areas where the wire will get pinched. All right. So again, take your time, inspect your wiring. We're going to put the white where it says W for white. Okay. Make sure these wires are straight. Insert it down into the hole. And then tighten it up. All right. Then we're going to do the yellow. And then the green. Give them a little bit of a tug, make sure they're in nice and neat. Make sure they're not touching each other. And you're going to put it right back on the wall. I will eventually touch this up with some paint. I'm not going to do it now. I just want to get this thing up and running. You want to make sure it's level. Put the other one in. Make sure this mount is nice and tight. Okay. And you're going to take the other piece, pretty simple, and you're going to put it right on top, and you're going to plug it right in. And snap it in place. And that's it. That's how you replace a thermostat. We're going to go back down into the basement. We're going to flip the switch on and we're going to come up and we're going to do some testing. I hope this video helped, and we will catch you on the next one. Take care. Have a good one.
Yes, Sonny.